Assalamualaikum, in the name of Allah, most mighty and most merciful, welcome back to my channel, CodewithSR. In this channel, you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and many more. Welcome back. So today in this video, you are going to learn HTML basic tags. So in this video, we will know BR, HR tags. What are they and how they work? We will know what are the use of them. So let's start our video by opening our folder. So if you hadn't subscribed my channel, CodewithSR, so please don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I make videos regularly and we had started the HTML course. And if you hadn't seen the introduction, first of all see the introduction and watch the video and you will know what we had done in the previous video. So we are going to learn BR, HR, what are their uses. Basically, BR and HR are the basic tags of HTML which are used making basic things like a timetable, like web pages. We use it are little bit common in making things. So we will make here 5.html. And then I am going to teach you that we had done previous details and thumbnail, and now we are doing the BRHR. So what is BR and what is HR? BR is a break. Basically, break is used to have a space or finish the line. Let me BR HR. When we add, like I had make and paragraph and written here and Lorem 10. After $, I need a break. That when I enter, all the text go down. But if I go live, will it work or not? So comment me down below that this thing will work or not. Opening my favorite browser, Chrome, or you can use any other tool like Firefox and Microsoft Edge, any other. Now let me count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is finished and you have to comment it below that what was your answer, yes or no. So let me tell you, the answer is going to be no, because the paragraph is an inline tag, means if we add any space it will not going to be work. Like if I add space, enter here, one line here, we do any much line, it is not going to be work, because it is an inline tag. And if we want to add break here, so we use breaking tag, short form BR. If I write here BR and save it, the line is break now. And if I want to break one more, I will add BR like this. And if I want one more break, I will add BR here. And then end. That's how the BR works. BR is a special character which is added in HTML for adding break. So before that, we do in CSS or make new tags. So this is a good way to do this. Now let's know what is an HR tag. Basically, the HR tag is used for adding a horizontal line. What means horizontal line? Horizontal line, if you had seen in websites, they have two compartments. First compartment can be about myself or website, and second is contact. Between them, they add a line like this, that the upper one is about and the lower one is contact. So for that, we'll use HR tag. What? HR tag. If I add here, write here HR, they will be aligned. And the full form of HR is basically horizontal line, which helps us to add a line in our web page. Save it, run it. As you can see here, we got a line here, and the line is an horizontal line. And if I add one more paragraph down there and refresh it, as you can see here, like if I can write a heading tag and add a about my web, and then add a my contact. There we go. As you can see, it's worked, and this is the use of the horizontal line. So this was so much easy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit subscribe to get my new videos and new content in daily routine. I will meet you on the next video with my new content. Be take care and Allah Hafiz.